Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mule, and today is Thursday, May 30th, 2024. And today's topic, Farewell to Liberty. This is an emotional one. Hits me right in my heart. Several years ago, I got a call from an owner in Valley View, Texas, and her horse had facial lymphatic swelling. Root cause is unknown, and there was anything they can do. Well, there is. We can't cure it, but we managed it. And just last summer, she was euthanized. And I found out just yesterday because Valley View, Texas had a massive tornado, and that's where she lives. So I called the owner and she informed me. But here's what I want to tell you: every single horse that I work on changes me. They have a sense of gratitude that you can't buy. They gave me a sense of gratitude. After working on this horse for 3 days and I was getting ready to leave, she came up to me in the field and put her head and her nose right here next to my heart. I'll never forget that feeling. It was like an energy pulse that came in. It felt like thank you, gratitude. If you're interested in learning how to become an equine lymphatic therapist and bring the best of everything into the world, email me at info@healequine.com. Take a look at our curriculum at www.healequine.com/lymphatic dash curriculum, and dare to make a difference. Why? Because we can in 2024. I did it for liberty. We can do it for someone else. And don't forget, believe in the possible.